Welcome to Frigiliana, a hidden gem in the hills of southern Spain. A town where every narrow street, every whitewashed wall, and every winding stairway tells a story. Today, though, I want to experience Frigiliana differently. While the vibrant colors are part of its charm, I want to remove their influence to focus instead on the purity of the lines, the textures, and the simplicity woven into the heart of its architecture. In this video, we'll explore Frigiliana in black and white, stripping away the distractions and letting the town's timeless character speak for itself. One of the reasons that I decided to shoot this town in black and white is because I didn't want the color to compete with the lines and the textures. And in addition to that, I just watched a Netflix series called Ripley, which was shot in Italy, in a town much like this one, entirely in black and white. And it is stunning if you haven't seen it. Beautifully composed and lit. You know, we draw our inspiration from many sources. Our colleagues, people we admire in the industry, the old masters, or just our surroundings in general can inspire us. Now, don't get me wrong. I love shooting color, but sometimes it can overwhelm. The sun's just coming up over the countryside. This is one beautiful place. I'm shooting with the Viltrox 13mm today because I want to get some nice big wide views. Whew. Well, this morning I'm going to shoot with the Viltrox, but throughout the week I'm going to shoot with various lenses, probably, well, two primary lenses. I'll shoot with the Viltrox and I'll also shoot with the Fujifilm 56mm 1.2. I need to come back with a longer lens tomorrow morning. The Viltrox 13mm is just a little too wide for these little pockets of buildings and farms that I'd like to isolate a little bit better. Now, this town, as you can see, is pretty devoid of people. A few people at cafes having a breakfast. But it's it's not too populated in the morning, which is I like, because during the day, buses and buses of tourists, not like me, but other people, descend upon this town, and it's hard to get any kind of a view without people in your way. And I'm not a fan of people. Anyway, that's why I made the decision to shoot in grayscale, because I find color sort of competes with all of the lovely aspects that maybe people don't get to see when they walk through a town like this. They're kind of seduced by the color, and there's plenty of it. Beautiful painted, brightly painted doors and flower pots surrounding some flowers. And, oh my God, it's just overwhelming sometimes just walking down some of the streets. This is what I mean about when the sun starts to come out. And this is just beautiful. Thing you have to be careful of when you shoot a village like this is your exposure, because as you know, your light meter wants to turn everything to 18% gray, and that's just going to give you all kinds of trouble in editing. So just make sure those whites are white and not gray. Hey, I hope you enjoyed my little trip through Frigiliana, and it's quite windy here, as you can see. I'm back in Newfoundland, and hopefully I'll stay here for a little bit, and then I'm off to Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island. So if you like to see more, please like and subscribe, and I will see you later.